Hey guys, welcome to my channel Glow Naturally. Gua Sha is a traditional Chinese healing method in which a trained professional uses a smooth-edged tool to stroke your skin while they press on it. This motion raises small red rash-like dots that show under your skin called pitiyaki. People use gua sha to treat chronic pain all over their body. They often do it alongside other complementary treatments like herbal medicine, massage, acupuncture, and heat therapy. What is the purpose of a gua sha? A gua sha is a tool that comes from Chinese medicine, and the word gua means scrape and sha means sand. This essentially means gua sha treat muscle pain and give you a sculpted effect when pressure is applied onto the face using it. These tools have different edges which fit on different parts of your face like your cheeks, jaw, forehead, etc. to give you more coverage and contact for a great sculpted effect. As you stroke along your face using this sweeping technique, your skin stretches and this creates friction, giving you a well-contoured effect. What are the benefits of a gua sha? After using a gua sha properly and regularly, you will notice these benefits. Number 1. Lymphatic drainage. A slow lymph system can cause puffiness, swollen skin, fatigue, acne, and other skin problems. Since lymph circulation is only possible through muscle movement or massage, using a gua sha is the best way to increase it. Number 2. Deals with cystic acne. A common misconception is that you cannot use a gua sha on acne. The gua sha tool helps reduce flare-ups, redness, and the size of acne by moving congestion and improving circulation. Just remember to never use a gua sha on broken skin and pustules. Number 3. Fight acne scars. The gua sha brings fresh blood to the surface of the skin, which renews skin cells, hence reducing the visibility of acne scars. Number 4. Reduces puffiness. Since the gua sha removes lymph and other fluids from your face, your skin tightens and becomes more chiseled. Number 5. Say goodbye to dark circles and dull complexion. An improved blood circulation results in lesser dark circles and a youthful glow. Number 6. Softens wrinkles and fine lines. The gua sha relaxes your stiff muscles and tissue, thus smoothing out aging signs. Number 7. Contours and sculpts jawlines and cheekbones. Consistently scraping the gua sha on your face in the correct manner will lead to a defined jawline and cheekbones. Your face will begin to look naturally contoured as time passes by. How to find your gua sha? Gua shas vary in shapes and material, each having its distinctive use. We have curated a list of common shapes and materials along with their benefits and uses to help you find your perfect gua sha. Gua sha vary in shapes and therefore the following based on materials. Number 1. Rose quartz. This pretty shade of pink is associated with emotions, compassion, and love. It is the best suited for smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles and getting rid of toxins and negativity that is present in the body. Number 2. Black obsidian. This material has the most powerful elements of fire, water, and earth, which clears negative thoughts and emotions that may reside in the body. It leaves the skin feeling rejuvenated. It also responsible for repairing and strengthening muscles, tissues over time. Number 3. Jade. This crystal brings the existing imbalance to rest. It reduces puffiness and promotes lymphatic drainage. Number 4. Amethyst. Thanks to its negative charge, it gets rid of negativity and stress by producing negative ions. It helps to cool down the skin and tightens pores. How to use your gua sha? Number 1. Before you start, wash your gua sha tool with water and soap to ensure that it is clean. If you want, you can even leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours for an additional cool and soothing effect on your skin. Number 2. Cleanse your face and apply any serum, face oil or moisturizer of your choice. Your skin should be slippery with some product to prevent the gua sha from causing any irritation. Hold your tool firmly in the correct way. The curved part should hug the curves of your skin and the flat part should rest on your skin. Number 4. Begin by using the wider concave side of your tool. Start at the base of one of the sides of your well-moisturized neck, pulling it up towards your jaw. Repeat this a few times and do the same on the other side of your neck. Then move to the front of your neck, marking the same upward movement. Do not put too much pressure here, otherwise you will start choking and coughing. Number 5. Next, with the smaller cleft or devote in your gua sha, start scraping from the center of your chin. Scrape it along your jawline, going towards the bottom of your ears. Repeat this with a few times and follow the same movement on the other side. Number 6. Take the flatter curve of your tool and scrape from the center of your face to massage the cheeks. You will have to do this in a couple of horizontal lines to cover the area. Number 7. Then use the small rounded end of your tool to massage the area under your eyes, pulling it outwards or your temples. Number 8. Place your tool against your forehead in a way that the largest curve is just above and gently pull it up towards your hairline. Finally, once you are done massaging in all the areas of your face, finish your skincare routine if needed be. How often to use gua sha? It is recommended to follow the practice of facial gua sha at least thrice a week to maintain results. You can choose to do it in the morning to reduce puffiness or at night just before sleeping to relax your facial muscles. How to clean and store your gua sha? Cleaning your gua sha tool is extremely important. A dirty tool can cause several skin problems such as acne, greasiness, breakouts and more. To ensure your tool is clean, we recommend using a soft towel to wipe it before and after every use. For a deeper cleanse, you can dip the towel in some soapy water plus your cleanser and then proceed to wipe your tool gently. This gets rid of the bacteria build-up on your stone. Avoid using hot water as it can damage the stones in your tool. Before you put your gua sha tool into its box, ensure that it's completely dry. Since your gua sha tool is made of semi-precious stone, it is fragile. Dropping it can damage the crystals in your face tool, thus altering the results. Handling your gua sha with extreme care is very important. You can store your tool in a dry place and somewhere it will not fall. You can even store it in your refrigerator or a makeup fridge for an adding cooling effect. I have already made a video on the jade roller usage. You can tap on the link that's given on your screen right side top. Also, we'll share the link in the description box. Please show your love and support to my channel by subscribing it and give a thumbs up if you have liked this video and drop your valuable comments. Love you all. Take care. See you all in my next video.